Today we're here to celebrate a $27.5 million grant for the park that will allow them to invest in new CNG buses to complement the ones they already have, electrified buses along with the infrastructure, because we want the view to be breathtaking, not the emissions from the vehicles. You know, our national parks are critical to local economies, which is one reason we're proud to announce this grant. It is so incredibly important, but this is not the only nationally significant federal land transportation project that we're announcing as part of this $130 million announcement nationwide. And we did receive $630 million worth of applications. So we want folks to know that this is this $27.5 million is part of an oversubscription for folks. So we want you to be proud of the fact that you were able to get it.
We are a national treasure. This is one of the most visited parks in the system. Travelers like to ride buses, and it's an important connection that we have with the town of Tucson, where we've got hotels, so a lot of our visitors stay there, and they will use the buses to get into the park, and that's really important for us for two reasons. One is it reduces congestion in the park, which enhances the visitor experiences, but it also helps us reduce our carbon footprint.
DOT, DOI, we have this over 100-year partnership. You as stewards and conservators of these national parks, us as a partner to try to get people to them and through them and laying lightly upon the land. What does this partnership mean for DOI?
Yeah, absolutely, Shailen. I mean, we couldn't get the visitors out to the park, help improve the experience for everyone and show them beautiful places like the Grand Canyon without the partnership with DOT. You know, we've got to have roads, we've got to have trails, we've got to have bikeways to get people out to these spots. So it's really great to have such a good partner in all of this.
They're actually going to build a solar array, so it'll be renewable energy that are fueling these buses and the EVs that are part of the president's vision.
Yeah, absolutely. It's super exciting. I mean, updating the fleet in general is a huge thing for the park, but starting to electrify the fleet is a really important concept and something that the parks have been interested in doing for a long time.
Maybe we'll see what other places we can visit.
Sounds like a challenge.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.